Hello, second grade. I'm going to show you how to solve a three-digit subtraction problem when there is a 0 on top. I'm going to show you two problems. This is the first one, and then this first problem I'm going to show you with a 0 in the ones place, and then the second problem that we're going to do, I'm going to show you how to solve it with a 0 in the tens place. So first we're going to just focus on solving a 0 in the ones place. So we need to make sure that our numbers are lined up. So first I'm going to draw a picture over here. So there are 6 hundreds blocks in this number, 7 tens blocks, and then 0 ones blocks. So we're going to leave that blank. Okay, so we're going to come over here and remember our rules. More on the top, no need to stop. More on the floor, go next door. We are always going to start in the ones place. So we can see over here that there is more on the floor, so we are going to need to go next door. We cannot take away 9 from nothing. So we're going to go knock on this tens place. We're going to say, hi, can I borrow a 10? So you're going to come over here in the picture and take a 10, and the 10's going to say, of course. And you are going to move this 10 over to the ones place. We could not have a tens rod in the ones place, so we're going to have that explode into 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, how many tens are left in the tens place? There are 6 tens left. How many tens are now in the ones place? There are 10 ones. Now we have more on the top, so we no need to stop. So we're going to take away 9 from 10, so we're going to cross out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There is 1 left. 10 minus 9 is 1. Now we're going to come to the tens place, and we can take away 2 from 6. So we're going to take away 1, 2, and how many tens rods are left? There are 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. Now we're going to come to the hundreds place. There is more on top, so we do not need to stop. We can take away 1 from 6. So we're going to take away 1 hundreds block from 6 of them, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 left. Okay, so this is our first problem. So our answer is 541. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to solve with 0 in the tens place. So our number is 709, take away 236. We're going to draw our picture first. Okay, there are 7 hundreds blocks, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0 tens blocks. So we don't need to put anything under the tens. So, and there are 9 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we're going to start in the ones column because we always need to start in the ones column. There is more on top, so we do not need to stop. We can take away 6 from 9. So we're going to take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are left in the ones place? There are 3 left. 9 take away 6 is 3. Now we're going to come over to the tens place. There are 0 blocks in the tens place. So there is more on the floor, so we need to go next door and knock. So we are going to knock on the hundreds place and say, can I borrow a hundreds block and change it to 10 tens? The hundreds place is going to say yes. So we're going to borrow a hundreds block, move it over here. It's going to explode into 10 tens. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have blocks in the tens place that we can use because we need to take 3 tens blocks away. So we can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hundreds blocks left now. And now we have 10 blocks in the tens place. So now we have more on top, so we do not need to stop. So we can see, and we're going to solve the tens place now. We can see that we can cross out 3 tens blocks to take away 3 from 10. And now we can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 tens left. We want to check our work. 10s take away 3 is 7. Now we're going to come over here, and we can see there is more on top. We do not need to stop. We can take away 2 from 6. So we're going to cross out 2 hundreds blocks from 6 of them total. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 left. So now our answer is 473. So class, now do you see why we need to still borrow when there is a 0 on top? we can still borrow blocks and move them over so that we have blocks in that place to take away from, okay? So good luck. We love